Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Pramutegul Gayatri. I'm from Management 23A with student ID number 2341164. Now I would like to talk about how individual difference and international culture influence the workplace, especially in today's global environment. So in modern organization, we don't just deal with people from the same background anymore. We work with people who have different personality, value, culture, and ways of thinking. Because of that, understanding this difference becomes very important if we want to build effective team and achieve organizational goals. First, let's talk about individual difference. Every employee is unique and that's something organizations need to understand. People have different skill, motivation, learning style, and life experience. So, company cannot use a one-size-fits-all approach anymore. Instead, they need to adjust roles and responsibility based on each person's strength. One important concept here is the Big Five personality traits, which include openness, concitudinous, extraversions, agreeableness, and neuroticism. These traits influence how people communicate, work in teams, respond to stress, and even how they lead. For example, someone who is highly extrovert may be more comfortable in teamwork, while someone more introvert might perform better in independent tasks. Another important concept is person-organization fit, which means how well an individual's value match the organization culture. When employees feel that their value align with the company, they tend to be more engaged, more productive, and more loyal. But this is not always simple, especially in a global context, because what is considered fit in one culture may be different in another. That's why organizations need to be careful and not rely only on assumption when evaluating employees. Now, moving on to international culture. This is where things become more complex. Different countries have different culture values that affect how people behave at work. For example, some cultures are more individualistic, where people focus on personal achievement, while others are collectivistic, where teamwork and group harmony are more important. There are also differences in power distance, which affect how people view authority, and uncertainty avoidance, which affect how comfortable people are with risk and change. Another interesting point is that personality and culture interact with each other. The same behavior can be seen differently depending on the culture. For example, being very assertive might be seen as confidence in one country, but as being aggressive in another. Because of this, leaders need to be more aware and sensitive when interpreting employee behavior, especially in multinational teams. Of course, working in a global environment also comes with challenges. Teams, teams often face communication problems, different in feedback style, and different ways of handling conflict. These differences can create misunderstanding and even tension is if not managed properly. However, if handled well, this difference can actually become a source of creativity and innovation because diverse perspectives bring new ideas. So, what can organization do to manage this situation? There are several strategies. First, company need to develop cross-cultural competence, which means understanding and respecting different culture. This can be done through training and practice. Second, managers need to adopt a flexible leadership style because not all teams need the same approach. Some teams, some team may need clear direction, which while others prefer more autonomy. Third, organizations should use a contingency approach, meaning they should adjust their strategy based on the specific situation instead of applying on one standard solution for all. In addition, company can also use practical tools like onboarding programs, mentoring system, and regular feedback surveys to understand employee needs and improve teamwork. That tool help organizations detect problems early and create a more inclusive environment. Finally, in the future of work, building inclusive global team and is very important. Organizations that can manage diversity effectively will have better coordination, higher employee retention, and more innovation. Diversity should not be seen as a problem, but as a strength. Company need to embrace different, invest in culture understanding, and link individual strength with organization goals. So, to conclude, understanding individual different and international culture is essential in today global workplace. When organization can combine respect for individual uniques with strong culture awareness, they can create better teamwork, improve performance, and stay competitive in a global environment. Thank you.